Hello, and thank you for taking time to review this tutorial on how to navigate Hiration's resume tailoring. The resume tailoring feature allows users to easily align a resume with the job descriptions of positions that they apply for. Let me show you how easy it is to use this tool. To access this feature, be sure that you're in the Resume Builder tab on the top navigation bar, and then select the desired resume draft. It is best practice to proceed with the resume tailoring function after you achieve a score of 80 or higher. For demonstration purposes, you'll notice that this resume does not have that score, so you'll need to go through and review the suggested changes as outlined specifically for this example in the billet analysis in order to improve the score. Once a score of 80 or higher is achieved, you can go ahead and select the resume tailoring feature on the resume review panel. You'll want to create a copy as suggested, and then be sure to copy and paste the desired job description in the given field before you select Analyze. After a few moments, similarly to the resume review, you will get a score for the resume tailoring feature that offers feedback on how you can improve your resume so that it better aligns with the job description. That said, it's important that you review the requirements, eligibility match, responsibility match, and then the resume actionables to determine if you're able to make any improvements on your resume. Unlike the resume review feedback, you're only going to be able to improve things on your resume that are actually accurate. So for purposes of this demonstration, it is for a position that has a requirement of 3 years work in the field of paralegal. If you're a student or you're new to the field, you very likely are not going to be able to make that change because you don't have that experience. Therefore, you are not able to improve the score. The goal here isn't necessarily to hit a specific score like the resume review feature. Rather, it is to ensure that your resume draft best matches the position that you are applying for based upon your individual experiences, education, skills, certifications, etc. Be sure you incorporate what you can on your resume, and then we suggest that you update that resume so that it aligns with the specific position that you are applying for. And then you're able to easily identify the resume that you used for the position that you applied for, and then you're able to download that and use it in your application. Thank you for reviewing Hiration's resume tailoring function tutorial.